Hi, welcome to At Steffi's. Today I bring you a delicious recipe. This might not be a recipe for those who are on a diet at the moment, but I always say that everything is about balancing our meals. So it doesn't hurt to try this recipe that we are going to make today. Pepperoni garlic pizza balls. These pizzas are perfect for a party, for an afternoon of movies, for a dinner, in short, for any occasion that comes to mind. So let's get to the recipe. Let's go. The first thing we are going to do is prepare the dough. In a bowl, we are going to add 130 milliliters of warm milk, 4 grams of instant dry yeast, and 30 grams of sugar. We stir it until the yeast dissolves well. Then we are going to add 200 grams of flour, 4 grams of salt, and mix it very well. Now it is time to knead with our hands. We are going to do it until our dough looks like this. Then we are going to put 35 grams of unsalted butter cut into pieces and continue kneading until the dough is smooth. We will put it in a clean bowl, cover it, and let it rest for approximately 1 hour or until it doubles in size. We are going to take our dough and we will chop it into 8 equal pieces. We grab a little piece of dough, we get all the air out of it, we add a little flour, and with the help of our rolling pin, we form a circle like this. We will put a little pizza sauce in the middle. You can buy ready-made at the supermarket, or if you prefer, you can make it. Then we'll add some grated mozzarella and pepperoni. We are going to join all the edges and form a ball again. Make sure the ball is well shut. Once we have our 8 pizzas ready, we are going to place them on the baking tray, cover them, and let them sit for approximately 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we are going to paint each ball with egg or milk and put them in the oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Finally, we will prepare the topping. We are going to need 30 grams of melted unsalted butter and 6 grams of finely chopped garlic. We will mix it and paint each of the pizza balls. Optional, you can add a little grated Parmesan cheese and finely chopped parsley. And voila! Well, this is how our delicious pepperoni garlic pizza balls turned out. Don't they look tasty? I hope you make them and let me know how they turned out. Subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy more recipes. You can also follow me on all other platforms for different types of content. See you next time here at Steffi's. Ciao!